All right, we're in this building here in Lincoln. Very basic Otis elevator here. Up to 4 or 5R, whatever you want to call it. Nice area out here. Little rooftop. Can we get a view? Just hook the camera out there. There's Lincoln. Don't want to miss the elevator though. I have to get going soon, so as per usual, time is limited. £3,500 capacity. Anyway, that will be